Okay. I took my Parabola selfie. This is our little Parabola selfie tutorial. So here we go. I have it. I saved it in a file. I called it my Parabola selfie. I made sure to turn it so that it was facing the right way. Then once you have it, we're going to go to Desmos, and I'll just make sure you can see all this. So Desmos, you want to, yeah, that's fine. Start graphing, which brings you right where I was. Then we want to add that picture to our graph. So we're just going to hit the little plus, go to image, and then I want to pick my Parabola selfie. So open that, and then it puts it right in here. Now I feel like I want to center it better, so I don't want it centered at 0, 0. I think I'm going to slide it over and center it maybe at like 2, 5. Is that better? Nope, I need to move it over like 2 more. So 4, 5, and that's good. I mean, I guess I could go 3.5. 3.5. 3.75. How about that? Yes, even better. And then we can make sure we see it all. So now it's like the corner is at 0, 0. If you don't want to do that, that's all good, but I did. So there you go. Next, we want to write the equation for our parabola and analyze it. So we need to plot 3 points in here. So you can just like add points. So I'm going to add the point. Like it looks like the vertex of my thing is at 4, I don't know, almost 4, but like maybe 3.75. That's too high. Let's just go 7. That's still too high. Let's go 6. That's still too high. Let's go 2.5. There we go. And you can label it or not. Like, sure. I'm going to add another point. Maybe I'll add the point 6, 5, because that looks like a point. I guess I got to put it in parentheses. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then, what's another one that looks good? I could do maybe 2.5, comma, 4. Looks like a point. Yeah, I like those. So those are my 3 points. And once you have those, you don't have to do any math to quadratically regress that. We did do that where we plugged in like x and y and solved for a, b, and c. But if you go to our website, you pick high school, you go to my teacher page, go to Algebra 2, and then I had a formula over here that would quadratically regress things for you. Now it's too far back, so you have to hit View All. Then we're just going to go to Quadratic Regression. It'll open up a new Desmos thing, and in here we can just put our points. So I'm going to erase all these. I gotta make sure I get them all. Going too fast. And then I have to put in the points that we picked on our other graph. So I had 4, 3.5. Then I had the points 6, 5. And then lastly, 2.5, 4. And then down here it does everything for me. So now I have my A, B, and C, and you can write it in standard form. Now that doesn't help you too much to find the axis and tree and vertex, although I guess it kind of does, because once you have A, B, and C, you can find all things. So now I've just written my equation, and I wonder if I can't just copy it. I totally can't. That's all right. We'll put A as 0.31. And I can graph it on here. My B value is negative 2.35, if I round correctly. 2.35x. And then lastly, we have our C value at 7.93. So plus 7.93. And then you can adjust it if you wish, because like as I'm looking at this side over here, it's not very good, but also like this banner isn't super parabola-y. It's like more triangle-y, like a V graph. So like this is pretty decent and I kind of like it. So that would probably be it. And then I would love if you guys take a picture of it and like put it in a Word document to share it with everybody. So if you're not sure how to do that, you're going to want to hit what is it? Control print screen? I don't know. Take a screenshot. Print screen, I think, does it. There's a print screen button on your I don't know. I think that's how you do it. Let me see, print screen. And then if I go to a Word document, paste. Yay, there it is. Okay, cool. So hopefully that helps. Good luck. That's it.